What's going on, guys? It's Mike here from MB Reviews and More, back with another video for you. Today we are going to be changing the grips on a 2021 Honda Rebel. This bike belongs to Kyle. If it looks familiar to you, it's because this used to be Lexi's bike. You probably saw some videos with me riding it several times last summer. But now that she bought the new CF Moto, she sold this to Kyle, and this is his now. The grip change on this is very simple, very easy. So we'll show you what it entails.
Alright.
I'm just going to slice it right down. It's a nice knife you got there.
I like that, don't you?
Yes, I do. You gave Kyle the girl knife.
Yeah, of course. Oh, I think I went through already. Get it?
I think you might need the
I
man
don't
knife.
think you went all the way. You want this one?
You need the man knife.
No, I went through.
You're going to end up stabbing yourself in the chest, I think.
Oh, I got it. That's just this little piece right here. I just didn't want to cut them. Like,
You definitely want to scrape off as much of that residue as you can. That side's not bad.
Oh, watch yourself.
Oh! That's it. Model work for 6 months.
That wouldn't be a bad thing right now.
Probably get more money that way too, honestly.
But the other side was pretty easy, Kyle. Nice and clean.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad over here.
This fucking glue comes off very easy.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Knew you were coming because Christine saw Lexi's
Oh.
location on the phone.
It was actually perfect timing. I just pulled up when you pulled up too.
I was not just doing. I wasn't even gonna wait for you.
Well, the funny thing was I started driving and I was talking to her. And I started driving like up towards Apponar. She's like, where you going? I'm like, oh shit, I don't know. I was like, I don't even know where I was going to end up.
Jesus Christ.
A little rough spot there in the bottom.
No, it's just all stringy.
Okay, let's get that side nice and clean.
And the bike hasn't sold out of me.
These are the grips he's going to be putting on, the Vans. Got that nice fluorescent green there, huh?
Yep. The green and black theme over here for now.
This is a Temu knife too.
I get that from Temu actually.
Yeah, it's like a 5-pack of 5 different blades, 5 different knives.
Bottle opener on the other end.
No, it's just a.
Oh, it looks like a bottle opener.
Yeah.
Yeah, that knife really worked good.
Yeah, right.
Not bad, not bad. Well, Scott's cleaning this up. Show you real quick on his bike. He put a decal on his bagger. I don't know if we can see it, but he put these on over the weekend. How long did it take you to do these, Scott?
Probably about an hour.
It looks pretty good though. He's had some updates he's done to his bike since we did the walk around. Looking good though. It's looking good.
I did realize that there are 2 sides.
Yeah, I looked at that too, so I made sure to get the right one, I think, so it should be good.
Yes, this should be your side. Oh, those are pretty tight.
You do want to make sure, if you've never done this before, that one side is a little different size than the other side. That's definitely the larger one of the two. So you don't want to put them on wrong once you put that glue down.
Oh, that's a tight fit. Oh.
I wasn't sure if one of them was going to be enough, so. I'm just getting two of these small ones.
Christine's being camera shy.
Just gotta move fast with this shit.
Yeah, once it's gone, it's it.
Oh, same color. Oh shit.
You're gonna apply a bead of glue all around it. And then just jam it on there.
Actually, that's pretty good.
Yep.
Oh, came out the hole.
Oh, it's got a hole in the bottom of the grip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you do have a hole in the bottom of the grip, it may come out of there. Might need to get yourself a little alcohol.
Let's do this now.
Yeah, just like
Oh, it's
diarrhea.
hot. Muffler be hot still. Started feeling like a little warmth coming through my pants.
You don't want to push that one right up to it because the
Okay.
glue that you gotta spin that. That's your throttle.
Yep.
If you glue your throttle, you're fucked.
I'll grab a little bit more in here.
Done.
And that's pretty much all there is to it. These are the Vans grips in the lime green on the 2021 Honda Rebel 300. And they do make the bike look a little brighter.
Yeah, they're not bad.
You'll be glowing in the dark. And that's the look. You clean up the glue a little bit, just make sure everything turns, especially on this side, throttle side.
Want some alcohol?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Just to kind of get it off, I got a little bit on the pieces over here.
Yeah, there's a clean cloth and some rubbing alcohol.
Thank you.
And if you get a little extra glue on there, just a little alcohol on a rag will clean it up for you. And that's pretty much it for the grips on the 2021 Honda Rebel. This bike is a lot easier, no cables to worry about. Just cut and replace and you're good to go.
Nice and easy.
And that's pretty much it. I want to thank Scott and Kyle Until next time, this is Mike from MB Reviews More. We'll see you.